Red curry is a common dish in Thai cooking. The curry is creamy and very delicious with a lot of gravy. Today I'm cooking the red curry to serve with crispy fried tilapia fish. It is fried fish with red curry sauce. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 700 grams of tilapia fish, washed and cleaned with cut on both sides, 150 ml of water, 1 box of 200 ml of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, corn flour can be used as well, 2 stalks of spring onions, 5 pieces of kaffir lime leaves cut into half, 1/4 cup of sweet basil leaf, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of red chilli paste. Today I'm using a store-bought red chilli paste from Thailand. This is what it looks like. From my experience, any red chilli paste from Thailand would work as well. 1 teaspoon of salt, half of the red chilli cut into strips, and oil for deep frying. The full list of ingredients and their measurements are in the show more link. Prepare the oil for deep frying the fish. I have about 1 kilogram of cooking oil in the pan. Switch on the heat and set the time for 8 minutes for the oil to get hot enough. Next, marinate the fish. Sprinkle the salt and rub to marinate the fish. And in between the cut, turn the fish to the other side and repeat. Rub the salt on the fish stomach too. Alright, the fish is marinated. Leave it aside. Cook the red curry sauce in a different pan. Switch on the heat. Add in all of the coconut milk and all of the kaffir lime leaves. Constantly stir until it comes to a rolling boil. After about 1.5 minutes, the coconut is boiling. Add the red curry paste. Stir for about 2 minutes or until the red curry paste and coconut milk are well incorporated. Oh wow, such a lovely fragrance. Leave it to boil for another 1 more minute. Add in 100 ml of water, fish sauce, and half tablespoon of sugar for now. This is to balance out the taste of the sauce. Stir until sugar and fish sauce are well combined with the curry and it comes to a boil. This will take about 1.5 minutes. Alright, the curry has come to a rolling boil. Give it a taste. It is slightly salty and lacks some sweetness. Add in 50 ml of water and another half tablespoon of sugar. Stir again and allow it to come to a rolling boil once more. Taste it again. Oh wow, this is perfect, with a good balance of creaminess, saltiness, and sweetness. Next, add in the red chilli, spring onions. Leave just a bit for garnishing, and basil leaves. Continue to stir and allow it to come to a boil. Switch off the heat. The red curry sauce is ready. Leave it aside. By now, the oil is hot and ready. Right before frying the fish, coat the marinated fish with tapioca flour. Sprinkle and rub the flour all over the fish. Turn it to another side and repeat. Add some flour on the part that have moisture. Notice that I am holding the fish while sprinkle the flour. This is to prevent the fish from absorbing the water on the tray. Alright, the fish is ready. Now we can go and fry it. Put in the fish. I am using my hand as I am confident that there will not be any oil splash as the fish is coated with flour and there is no more moisture on the fish. If you are not comfortable with this, please use the spatula to gently put it in the oil. Now, we are going to leave it until it has separated from the bottom of the pan. This will take about 8 minutes. Cover with the splatter guard if available. After 8 minutes, let's check on the fish. The fish has separated from the pan. It is cooked and very crispy. Use 2 spatulas to carefully turn the fish. Alright, this side is cooked perfectly and looks so beautiful. Continue to cook the other side for another 8 minutes. 2 more minutes to go. Let's check on the fish. The fish is still stuck. In 2 minutes, it should separate from the pan. After 2 minutes, the fish is ready now. See, I can move it. Turn it over carefully. Oh wow, perfect. The fish is cooked and crispy. Switch off the heat and remove the fish from the oil. Rest it on a cooling rack. Back to the red curry sauce. I am serving some in a bowl and keeping the rest to pour on the fish. Decorate the sauce with spring onions, cut chilies, and fresh basil leaf. Place the fried fish on the serving plate. Pour the red curry sauce over the fish. Garnish with some cut chilli, spring onions, and it is done. This is best served immediately while it is hot. Let's eat! Wow, it is so delicious. The fish skin is crispy while the flesh is tender and moist. The red curry is very tasty, creamy with a little hint of sweetness, saltiness, and its very fragrance of Thai herbs. It will be so good with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.